Hi Buhle.
Hi Ego.
How are you?
Very well, and you? I'm so excited about today.
Really? What's
Yes.
happening today?
I'm getting mineralized.
Ooh! So I've got no makeup on and you've got no makeup on.
Yes.
And aren't we just beautiful without
Absolutely.
makeup?
Over 35 looking like this.
I mean, who needs makeup, right?
Needs makeup.
But you know what we do need? Minerals.
Yes, we do.
Because we're going to end up looking fresh and bright and
Younger.
airbrushed and yet natural.
Yes.
Chemical free.
I like
And
the sound of that.
And our pores aren't going to be blocked. So we'll just look amazing. And pretty quickly too. Our foundations are pure powder. They've got no water in them. And I'm going to use our flat blending brush to test to see if it's your color. So I'm going to dab down where I think I want the most coverage. So I'm dabbing, not sweeping, not dusting, just dabbing. What do we think, Zayat? Should I get you a mirror?
That's the perfect match.
Right?
Hey? Oh my goodness. And very airbrushed. And we're not even done yet.
And we're not even done. We're
We're still testing. I love it.
Normal banana bread and we've got butter banana bread, and butter banana bread is slightly more yellow than the original banana bread. So I think I'm going to use the butter banana on Madame Buhle.
Let's give it a try. I like the sound of that. Butter banana.
I know, right? It sounds
Very
tasty. So we've just done a very light first layer of caramel 3. And now, I'm going to look good for longer. Just buttering. People like to call it baking. We're now baking with butter. But when she first started making mineral makeup, she was in London. And when I first started the salon business, I was in London. So as far as we're concerned, that's why it's called Miss London. Technically, we're African girls in London.
In London.
There's some banana. Have a look now on your close mirror. What do you think?
I absolutely love it.
Do you see the glow? Do you see the glow as well?
Yes. And you've absolutely covered all my concerns.
Right.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
I love it.
So now we're going to contour. I'm going to use contour 4 on Buhle, who is a caramel 3. So it's our darkest contour, so we're going to get a really decent effect from it.
This is my favorite part. I love contouring.
Yes.
Love it.
So our contouring is easy contouring. We don't do that hectic contouring.
Yes.
Right? So this contouring
like
is supposed to, we like easy. We're moms. We need, and we're working, so we need to get things done quickly.
Very quickly.
So I'm just dabbing it in. Remember, it's undiluted, pure mineral, so you don't need a lot. And I'm going to just put it into your piece of your eye, onto your eyelid. Just to your brow and come down. Just creating a natural shadow. Can you see that? Then going to just turn your head for me.
This way? This way.
So where your ear lobe is here to your mouth, that's the line for your contour.
Okay.
Okay, and the contour really is on the side of your face, not in front. It's on the side. So I'm going to run the most color here. See that? Run the most color here and go upwards.
Oh wow. Okay.
Go upwards into your hairline. And then when we've got most of it off of our brush, that's when we start to come forward. So it's very blended.
Yes.
And always upwards, not down, because here has to stay lighter.
Okay.
And if you make a mistake, you take your flat blending brush and clean it up.
Okay.
Another thing to do is to put banana bread there. Just turn for me this way. This way. Do you see that?
Nice. It highlights the cheekbone so nicely.
Yes. Going that way.
Yeah. Love it.
And can you see your eyelid as well? See? So it's a very natural finish.
Bam. Okay. Love it.
Fabulous. So now we're gonna blush the cheeks with Orgasm. This is the old jar, so not such a big deal. But whilst the contour was on the side of the face, the blush goes in front here in the cheek. Okay. So also undiluted pure minerals. Don't use too much. Start off light and then work it. So I'm going to start dusting it here. Very light. Can you see that? Beautiful. And then where I want more, I'm going right in there.
Okay.
Do you like that blush look?
Love it.
Is that your thing?
It is.
It's your thing?
And it's not too red.
Okay.
And it's got a bit of
Glow.
yes. Shimmer.
So it's on top of your contour. So in a way it's creating like this ombre effect. Just turn
Oh,
to
I
see that.
see.
Can you see how it's really
The ombre,
dark there?
yes.
And then
And
it looks like
lighter.
it's just going up. And I like to put brush on the top of my nose. I just think it looks really This is a very natural look and very fast and without complicated brushes. I've used a flat blending brush for your foundation. I've used a small contouring brush for your cheek and your eyelid and forehead, and I've used a normal blusher brush for the cheek.
It looks so natural.
It does.
And fresh.
And fresh. And how does it feel?
And effortless. It feels amazing.
It's light, right?
Very light. Especially in summer, you don't want to wear heavy makeup.
Right.
You want to keep it light
Right.
and minimal.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly.
Who's that girl? Yeah. Who's that
Come
girl?
and say hello.
Yes, come and say hello.
Show us your eyebrows.
Hi, Rabia.
Look at that. You have to see this when it's done.
But yeah, you're tinting eyebrows. We're tinting eyebrows.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not how
my
they're
girl from
finished.
Durban.
Yeah. Oh,
Durban
from
girls.
Durban. Ooh,
Durban girls.
Durban babies.
Durban babies. Durban babies.
So now I'm taking a little bit of the blusher that I put on your cheek, the powder from the blush.
Okay.
Can you see that? Yes. So that's
Yes,
literally powder, and I've mixed it in with a little bit of Vaseline or your favorite balm, and I'm going to put it on the lip to create color on the lip that is similar to the cheek. So everything is kind of just natural.
Yes.
How's that? Start rubbing it. Start rubbing.
This is my daughter's favorite part, putting on lipstick, and then she goes like this. Yes.
What do you think of your makeup?
I love it. It's effortless.
Yes.
It's flawless.
Yes.
It's the best thing I've ever done to my face.